The year is 2025. The investment world is a fascinating mix of opportunity and uncertainty. It's a tightrope walk between growth and value. Understanding this balance is key for any investor. This delicate equilibrium defines the current market. On one side, we see the allure of growth. These are companies pushing boundaries. They are driven by innovation and technological advancements. They promise high returns but also carry significant risk. On the other side, we find the stability of value. Value stocks represent companies with strong fundamentals. They are often overlooked by the market, offering potential for long-term gains. These companies are the bedrock of a balanced portfolio. The investment landscape of 2025 demands careful consideration. It requires understanding both the excitement of growth and the reliability of value. The global economy in 2025 is like a ship navigating a stormy sea. Inflation, though easing, still casts a long shadow. Interest rates remain a concern, fluctuating with the winds of economic data. Geopolitical tensions add to the uncertainty. The war in Ukraine continues to disrupt global supply chains. Trade tensions simmer, threatening to boil over and impact global commerce. Despite these challenges, there are glimmers of hope. Global GDP growth, while modest, is expected to continue. Inflation is projected to fall further, offering some relief to consumers and businesses. However, investors must remain vigilant. The economic waters are choppy, and unexpected storms can arise. A cautious approach is prudent. Amidst the economic uncertainty, certain sectors stand out as beacons of opportunity. These sectors are not just surviving but thriving, driven by a combination of innovation, changing consumer behavior, and long-term structural trends that are reshaping the global economy. These sectors are driven by innovation, changing consumer behavior, and long-term structural trends. They are the engines of growth in an otherwise volatile market, offering investors a chance to capitalize on emerging opportunities. Technology remains a dominant force. Advancements in artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and cloud computing are creating new possibilities. These technologies are not only transforming industries but also creating entirely new markets. And cloud computing are creating new possibilities. The demand for data storage and processing power continues to grow, driving investment in data centers and cloud infrastructure. Companies at the forefront of these technologies are well positioned for growth. They are leveraging their expertise to innovate and stay ahead of the competition, making them attractive to investors. The energy sector is undergoing a profound transformation. Traditional energy sources are being replaced by cleaner, more sustainable alternatives. Renewable energy sources such as solar are gaining momentum. Solar energy is becoming more efficient and cost-effective, making it a viable alternative to fossil fuels. And wind are gaining momentum. Wind energy is also seeing significant advancements, with new technologies increasing efficiency and reducing costs. Companies investing in clean energy and sustainable practices are likely to reap significant rewards in the years to come. These companies are not only contributing to a greener planet, but also positioning themselves for long-term success. Healthcare is another sector experiencing rapid change. The aging global population and the increasing demand for innovative healthcare solutions are driving growth in this sector. The aging global population and the increasing demand for innovative healthcare solutions are driving growth in this sector. Companies developing new drugs, medical devices, and digital health technologies are attracting significant investor interest. These innovations are not only improving patient outcomes, but also creating new opportunities for growth and investment. These sectors represent just a few of the bright spots in the investment landscape of 2025. By focusing on these areas of growth and innovation, investors can position themselves for potential long-term gains. The future is bright for those who can identify and invest in these beacons of opportunity. Growth stocks are the surfers of the investment world. They ride the waves of innovation, aiming to achieve significant returns. These companies are characterized by rapid revenue growth, cutting-edge technologies, and a willingness to disrupt traditional industries. Investing in growth stocks is not for the faint of heart. It requires a certain appetite for risk and a long-term investment horizon. However, for those willing to embrace the volatility, the rewards can be substantial. When evaluating growth stocks, it's essential to look beyond the hype. Focus on companies with a clear competitive advantage, a strong management team, and a large addressable market. Remember, not all growth stocks are created equal. Some will succeed while others will falter. Thorough research and careful stock selection are crucial for success in the world of growth investing. Section 5. Value stocks, unearthing hidden gems. Value stocks are like hidden gems waiting to be discovered. They represent companies with strong fundamentals that are undervalued by the market. These companies may not be the flashiest or the fastest growing, but they offer the potential for steady, long-term returns. Value investors are like detectives. They pore over financial statements looking for clues that suggest a company is trading below its intrinsic worth. They seek out companies with a history of profitability, a strong balance sheet, and a track record of paying dividends. In a market obsessed with growth, value stocks can be easily overlooked. However, for patient investors with a long-term perspective, value investing can be a rewarding strategy. By focusing on fundamentals and identifying undervalued companies, value investors can position themselves to capitalize on market inefficiencies. Section 6. Navigating the investment maze, a personal journey. Investing is not a one-size-fits-all endeavor. Each person's financial situation and goals are unique, requiring a tailored approach. It's a personal journey that should be guided by your individual goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. These factors will shape your investment strategy. Before making any investment decisions, it's essential to define your financial objectives. Knowing what you want to achieve will help you stay focused and make informed choices. Are you saving for retirement? This is a common goal, but it requires careful planning and consistent contributions. A down payment on a house, your child's education, these are significant milestones that need a solid financial plan. Your investment strategy should align with your specific financial aspirations. This alignment ensures that your investments are working towards your personal goals. Equally important is understanding your risk tolerance. This is your ability and willingness to endure market volatility. How comfortable are you with the possibility of market fluctuations? This comfort level will influence your investment choices. Are you willing to stomach short-term losses in pursuit of long-term gains? This is a critical question for every investor. Your risk appetite will dictate the types of investments that are suitable for your portfolio. Higher risk can lead to higher rewards, but also greater potential losses. Finally, consider your time horizon. This is the period you plan to hold your investments before needing the funds. When do you need to access your invested funds? This will impact your investment strategy significantly. If you have a long time horizon, you can afford to take on more risk. This can potentially lead to higher returns over time. Shorter time horizons may necessitate a more conservative approach. This helps protect your investments from market volatility as you near your goal. Section 7. Diversification and long-term vision pillars of success. Two fundamental principles underpin successful investing: diversification and a long-term perspective. These principles are not just buzzwords, they are the bedrock of a sound investment strategy. These pillars provide stability and resilience, guiding you towards your financial goals. They act as a compass, helping you navigate the often turbulent waters of the financial markets. Diversification is the practice of spreading your investments across different asset classes, sectors, and geographical regions. This approach ensures that you are not putting all your eggs in one basket. This strategy helps to mitigate risk by ensuring that your portfolio is not overly reliant on the performance of any single investment. It balances potential returns with the level of risk you are willing to take. A long-term perspective is equally crucial. It allows you to stay focused on your ultimate financial goals rather than getting distracted by short-term market volatility. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Quick gains are often accompanied by high risks, which can jeopardize your financial stability. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and persistence are key to achieving long-term success in the investment world. By adopting a long-term outlook, you can ride out market fluctuations and allow your investments to compound over time. This compounding effect can significantly enhance your wealth. Remember, the market is driven by fear and greed. These emotions can lead to irrational decisions that may harm your investment portfolio. By staying disciplined, diversifying your portfolio, and maintaining a long-term vision, you can weather the inevitable storms and achieve your financial aspirations. These pillars of success will guide you towards a more secure financial future. Section 8, 2025, a year of informed decisions. The investment landscape of 2025 is a complex and ever-changing terrain. It presents both opportunities and challenges for investors of all levels of experience. The key to navigating this landscape successfully lies in making informed decisions. Stay informed about market trends, conduct thorough research, and seek professional advice when needed. Remember, knowledge is power. By staying informed, you can make sound investment choices that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. As you embark on your investment journey in 2025, approach the market with a healthy dose of caution, a thirst for knowledge, and an unwavering commitment to your long-term financial well-being.